Yo, what's good, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. I'm back with another video of me installing my new bumper with fog lights on my car. You feel me? Like I just had an upgrade, and I'm gonna just show you my package right here. You feel me? So as y'all can see, there's my package, and I'm about to open it in a little bit. I just got it today, which is good, and I gotta leave this outside, which I'm gonna explain. And my address is covered for security purposes, you feel me? So I'm out. Alright, so as y'all can see, I just did my bumper and stuff, and it's bent right now, it's folded, and I didn't get the instructions or whatever. I was supposed to get the instructions, but I didn't, which I really don't care. But I already saw the videos on YouTube, so what I gotta do is leave it out in the sun for like good 3 to 4 hours. I can just do the whole day if I want, you feel me? So I can give it some extra time, you feel me? So, you know, I'm gonna do what I gotta do and all that, and I'm waiting for the rest of my parts to come so I can install everything at once, you feel me? So as y'all can see, the bumper moved and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I waited about 2.5 to 3 hours. This is still bent, these two are still bent. So what I'm gonna do is let it sit out. Out of that, I'm gonna use a heat gun on it, so that way it'll go faster, you feel me? But alright, so I'm back, and before I take this aside, I just wanna show y'all that has like marks on it, you know, like right here and stuff. And when I put the grill on, you probably shouldn't be able to see that, and there's a mark right here, but I have a touch-up paint for that, so I'm not really worried about that too much, which I'm a little disappointed. Then it has marks over here, all that from folding and all that BS, but you know, it is what it is. And I'm glad, you know, like, okay, you get what you pay for, yeah, but the price, you know, is in the link in the description, so I could just send it to y'all in the link, so you'll see it for yourself, you feel me? So it is what it is, and let's get it. Yo, I'm back. I got all my stuff for me to install the bumper and the fog lights that came with it, you feel me? So, you know, I'm gonna break all this down in a minute, you feel me? So, you know, this is all my stuff. You can see I'm doing this the OEM way, and I'm gonna break it all down. Alright, so let's start. This is my fog lights right here, right? This is one of them as an example. I bought this off of eBay and stuff for like $43, between $40 and $50, something like that, you feel me? Like, this is not bad, you feel me? For both of these. These came with, you know, I got both of these. Oh, and also I have this clear mask protective films, you know, for both of them on. I put them on because when the glass, you know, gets foggy and stuff, when it turns yellow, I don't have to worry about it because I put the protective film on this, you feel me? So on both of them, you know what I mean? So this right here is the wiring and stuff, like the wiring harness that came with it, and the relay that came with it. The relay's right here as well, and they all connected and stuff like that. And then this is the button that's supposed to be this, you feel me? But I got something else planned out, because I'm not gonna really be using this for a reason, because I got other plans and I don't need to do this because I'm going OEM way, you feel me? And I really don't need this, but I'm just gonna show y'all, you know what I mean? There goes the OEM fog light switch that I bought like off eBay and stuff, like off the junkyard, you feel me? Like all the stuff that I'm showing y'all is gonna be linked in the description, you feel me? So This is the, like, you know, the headlights, the switch and all that. It's gonna be the same. And then this is a fog lights when you want to turn it off or on, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna show you what else I did. So I remarked it because it was fading, so I remarked it, and then I put like a heart, you know, that's my thing, you feel me? And then I did something else extreme. Boom. Use the paintbrush to, you know, put these little lines on, because that's the handle when you turn, you know, left to right, stuff like that, up and down, you feel me? You know, I was super bored. And this came out of a 2008 Honda Accord, the 6 cylinders, you know what I'm saying? So I know it's gonna work, you feel me? Because this is the 8th gen, you feel me? So this is from the junkyard, and good thing I had a great deal for this. For $15, you know what I mean? Like, well, plus 5 because of the shipping, but can't beat that, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, and this right here is the wiring harness, but I covered my information for security reasons, you feel me? Like, I cover my information and all that, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open the box right now. So boom, this is the wiring harness, the OEM wiring harness from behind the, like, front bumper, you feel me? Which I'm gonna show you. You know, I kind of low-key can't explain it, but yeah, this is like the ground. This is the ground wire right here. When you ground it, this is a plug, which I'm gonna show you, and this is the plug for like the light bulb and stuff, which I'm gonna get into in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Boom. So this is a LED headlight bulbs and stuff, but this is actually for the fog lights, and the size of it is H11, you feel me? So boom, look at that, H11, as you can see right here. This is the fanless fog lights that they'll last mad long. Even the fans will last long, but I got the fanless, like the heat shrink one, because these are really, really good and they last really long. And then these are the, you know, power, I forgot what these called, but this is for, like, you know, the LED lights. And there goes the plug right here that I'm gonna plug into the harness in a few, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, and I got these little bulbs too, which I'm not gonna really be using anyways, but I'm gonna hold it down, you know, if anybody that needs it. But this is it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get ready to install this in my car, and let's go. Oh, and I forgot, my bad, I forgot. They gave me the bulbs already, but these are like the yellow ones, like yellow lights, amber lights, something like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's in the center right here. But I'm not gonna be using these, you feel me? So we out. Alright, so look, before I go to the car, before I take myself to the car, I'm gonna make this a little easier on myself. First, I'm gonna install these lamps on here, like on 1 and 2 over here, you feel me? Like on these 2 holes real quick. And then I'm gonna show you something else. And another thing, when I got these fog lights, when I got this, they didn't give me no screws. But good thing I have my extra screws here and here, you know what I'm saying, for both sides. So I'm about to install this real fast, you heard? Alright, so look, y'all, I was having a difficulty time putting the bulb on, but I just figured out from the inside, like, you see how the lines are and stuff like that? I figured out for the inside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but all I had to do is put this correctly. I can't really see this shit. Like this, and then I gotta turn it. I gotta really turn it to make sure the thing is centered. Boom, like that. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So all y'all do is connect those lines. So luckily I can see through here, because through the back is hard. You feel me? So that's all I had to do. So yeah, so I installed both sides of the lamps bracket with this screw and the screw on the bottom, and this top right here was loose. So what I did was, for me to hold this, I had to drill a hole to this part right here, this piece, like this whole piece, so I could use a zip tie and zip tie this, so that way it will stay on, you know what I'm saying? That's the only solution I have. So I did it for this side and that side, you know what I'm saying? So I did it for this side too as well. So, you know, it wasn't even hard to do, you feel me? And good thing I had my extra screws and all that. So yeah, it's time for me to go to my whip now. So as y'all can see, this is my old bumper right here, you feel me? This is my stock bumper, the 4-cylinder bumper that I'm about to remove and change up, you feel me? And this right here, I already, you know, took out all the clips and stuff, so all I gotta do is lift this up and then take this grill out real quick, you feel me? So let's get it. Alright, so look, right, this is the right side of the bumper example, right? This plug right here is the brown plug. That's the wire harness for the fog lights, you feel me? That shit is mad dusty, but I'm gonna clean it up before I put it on, you feel me? Like, you know, I just wanna show y'all and stuff. Look, this is for the right side. Then they got the same thing over here for the left side, somewhere back here, you feel me? But and then while I'm doing that, I gotta unscrew this and put the ground on top of it and then screw it back in. But I'm gonna disconnect my battery, you heard? So look, this is the left side now. I cleaned it best way I could. I know some still dirt, and I had to clean the you know, the metal part too. You know what I'm saying? Cause I got to connect it, and that joint is mad dusty like crazy. So I already cleaned it the best way I could. You feel me? So I'm ready to, you know, install it now. Let's go. See, now I got my bumper out real quick. I had to connect my fog lights now through the wiring harness, and then I gotta do one more part, you feel me? Alright, so look, I did the best I could. This is still out, both of them are still out, but I was able to get these in, like on the side, you feel me? So I'm gonna try to figure this out, but this is in, but not all the way in yet, but it is in though for sure. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a 6-cylinder bumper, so, you know, I did what I could and all that. Now I'm about to put this grill on and fix all the solutions, you feel me? Alright, so look, now since it's getting dark outside, I'm about to do my last part. Is this right here. I gotta take this switch out and put the V6 switch on, you feel me? So one more thing, my bad. I had to turn my steering wheel on the side so that way I could get access to the like screws and stuff, you feel me? Like once I open this, so we out. See, look, you gotta take out the top part and the bottom part. And I'm doing all this shit with one hand, which is ridiculous. See, this joint is a struggle when you're doing it with one hand. But yeah, I got the bottom off a little bit and the top off. I gotta unscrew these two, then take this out, then put the new one in. Guys, y'all can see, I know it's a little dark, but I just changed it, so now I gotta close this part back up and then I'm gonna test it. You feel me? Alright, it's time for me to connect the battery now. Testing. So look, y'all, this is the next day. You know, I wanted the sun to come up and all that because it was too dark. You feel me? But good thing I did the fog lights. I'm really grateful that I did it the OEM way, even though I had the aftermarket lamps and stuff. But it's like the same way as OEM, and then the back of it is metal. I thought it was plastic, but it's metal. Like when I was knocking, it was metal. Like somebody painted it to a different color, which I don't care. But as long as the joint works, it works. You feel me? And good thing I changed the light bulbs too to the LED one, so it shoots, you know, further and it lasts long. You feel me? So I'm really grateful for that. And I'm also grateful that I'm able to do anything I can in life. You feel me? Like, I'm literally grateful, man. You feel me? Like, I'm glad I get to share this with people. So if anybody want to do it the way I did it, cool. If not, it is what it is. Everybody's different. You feel me? So, you know, and I'm so happy that I didn't have to get all OEM ones separately, because if I did that, I would have ended up paying more money. But good thing, you know, I saved a lot more money that I paid for. You feel me? So I'm really grateful for what I've done, and I achieved it. You know, I be focused, self-focused, and all that, self-love. You feel me? And shout out to College Honda too. You feel me, for that video on YouTube, because that's what I learned it from. How they installed it and all that. I ain't gonna lie, at first when I saw it, I low-key thought it was gonna be hard. But as I kept watching it over, because sometimes I don't get it right away, I start pick up on it quick. You feel me? So, you know, I'm cool. I feel good, man. You know what I'm saying? I got more videos coming soon and all that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm happy that I got to get the fog lights. It's not just because I want to look cool. It's because of safety. That's another thing that a lot of people don't look at. You know, like the fog lights for the fogs, like, where you can see more and stuff. Because it's not just from the headlights. It's for like the bottom of it, so you can see, you know, stuff like that. I can't even explain the shit, but that's what it's really for, actually. So, and people was telling me, yo, you should get yellow bulbs and all that. I say, yeah, I could do that, but I prefer white. You know what I'm saying? I like white colors. Like, you feel me? I like white. I don't know why. Some people like yellow. It looks mad cool in the yellow. I like it, but I prefer white. If I wanted to put yellow on it, all I gotta do is get the yellow tint and then just put it on the lamp, and that's it. That's all I had to do. It's nothing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people do that. But me, on the other hand, nah. I do what JJ wants to do. I do what I want to do, basically, pretty much. You feel me? But your boy 534 is about to be out. Peace.